Welcome to the early edition on Reggae My Lighties. I'm your host, Cool T. The early edition brings you the latest news, the earliest. Gospel singer and pastor Marion Hall is set to release a song focusing on her body. The song, Blessed Body, is expected to be released soon, but it has already been sparking some controversy, with many questioning the appropriateness of the song, given Marion Hall is a Christian. Now, Marion Hall took to Facebook to provide some clarity about the song, and here's what she said. It's a song bringing awareness to the fact that God created bodies so perfectly, but we choose to put on and take off what we feel like, which sometimes causes us our lives. Love it or hate it, this is a blessed body. Following that post, she also released the cover art for her recent single, I'm Doing Better. But the cover art has sent tongues wagging, with many people chastising Marion Hall for being too revealing and raunchy with the cover art, which shows her dressed in a black sequined jumpsuit with mesh details that reveal her stomach. But guess what? Marion Hall is no stranger to flaunting her body. As you can remember, as her former self, Lady Saw, she took pride and pleasure displaying her assets in her impy-skimpy outfits on stage. But now as Marion Hall, she's displaying her body as the temple, the center of worship, a blessing from God. But question, given that Spice recently released her song Gotta Bless Me, in which she glorified her body and stated that she didn't do any butt lift or any surgery for her body, do you think Marion Hall in some way is competing with Spice and throwing a bit of shade at Spice by following Spice's pattern with this video or with this song, the concept of blessed body? Cause blessed body, Gotta Bless Me, they have a similar ring to it. So it's really a food for thought. So let me know what you think in the comment section. Speaking of Spice, she made a grand entrance on her return to the stage when she performed in the Cayman Islands recently. This was her first performance since her health scare in October 2022, and she gave a dominant and Old Spice performance, bringing the flavors like grace. After the performance, Spice thanked her fans for the support, taking to Instagram to big up the Cayman Massives. She says, Cayman, I love you so much. Thank you for making my first night back on stage after 6 months so very special. Now, Spice is expected to perform in New York, Jamaica and Bermuda in the next few months, and she promises fans she will release a music video every week. Now, moving on to quite a shady story. People's National Party Counselor Upfel Purcell has stepped out of the closet, admitting he's the person in the video being circulated, which shows a man masturbating and exposing himself in questionable positions. Now, Purcell says he's that guy, that man in the video. In an interview with the Jamaica Star, Purcell said he did the video for a woman, not a man, as was alleged. Now, Purcell, who is the counselor for the Yorktown division in Clarendon, says he's shocked that the video was released. He says he reported it to the cybercrime police. Purcell says he had several meetings with the People's National Party, the PNP, to discuss the issue. However, he did not say if he will step down from his position after being exposed in several compromising positions in the video. But guess what? If him step down, it's one less position for him worry about. Finally, 2 Locks of Twin of Twins is set to expand his Rebel 13 brand to include a charity organization. In his My 2 Cents podcast, he said he set up the Rebel 13 Foundation to help those in need. He's also encouraging everyone with a platform to give back to the society, as charity is everyone's duty. So, I want to take this opportunity to say, big up to Two Locks on his charity venture. We know that every mickle make a muckle, and every 2 cents make true sense to those with few cents. Now, that's it for this episode of Early Edition on Reggae Malaitis. I'm your host, Cool T. Remember to subscribe to the channel and also hit the notification bell to get the videos as soon as them drop. Share and like this video. Until next time, I'm your host, Cool T.